Hi everyone, I am Areca Nguyen from Việt Capital Security, and today continue a short update. Our Vietnam company, it is Masan, you know. Before to us go through the detail, I just want to share a little bit about myself. Today I get the first coronavirus vaccine, and I've got a fever now. But it's okay, I can talk something about Masan for you. If you are looking for some new information from Masan, I hope this video can useful for you. Okay, let's start. Masan consumer business remain on strong footing. This video made from the source consumer research team of Việt Capital Securities. Please note that. And this is my email if you want to open a trading account in legal. Please contact me via email or mobile phone. I can support you all the process to open a trading account and trade, invest in Vietnam stock market. To invest in Vietnam stock market, please mail to hong.nguyen@vcsc.com.vn or phone to 8491-432-6556. Okay. There's a company overview of Masan. Masan Group business focus on food and beverage products as well as the grocery retail. Other business including mining and significant holding in a bank. Okay, and we get start. Masan Consumer Holding. You can see Nam Ngư, Omachi, Kokomi, Tam Thái Tử, Vina Cafe. This all about for the Masan Consumer Holding. In the future, they will launch in the beer drink and the milk. I see that. Recently, they already bought 20% for Phúc Long tea. Phúc Long tea. Masan Midlife. As you can see, the meat with a high quality and the food made from the material. And another one part of Masan Midlife is the feed for the animal feed. As you can see, for chicken and feed for pig. Okay, continue to another Masan high tech material. NHřejT. I'm sorry, a little bit wrong in here. As you can see, the mining industry for tungsten and copper. And another VCM, Vincommerce. This industry already bought in last year. Masan buy this brand from Vingroup, and I think this deal can support all the sector of Masan growth up. Yeah, for example, Masan Consumer, Masan Midlife, and Vinego. Yes, Vinego. And so I think when Masan buy VCM is the good deal. Yeah, really good deal. It's support for the support chains of Masan Group. And another part of Masan is Techcombank. Masan hold 15% of Techcombank, and in near last 5 years, Techcombank growth very fast and strong and stable. Yeah, and I see the bright future for Techcombank. Okay, now here we go to the detail of Masan. Masan consumer business remain on strong footing. Summary of Masan's H1 2021 results. In H1 2021, revenue advanced 16% year-on-year, while net profit after tax (MI) reached 989 billion Vietnam dong as $43 million compared to 117 billion Vietnam dong as $5.1 million in H1 2020. Revenue was lifted by Masan Consumer Holding, MCH, Masan Midlife, MML, and the consolidation HC stocks, HCS, while Vincommerce VCM revenue fell due to aggressive closures of underperforming stores in 2020. Despite its revenue decline, VCM contributed to Masan's bottom line improvement as VCM's profitability continued to improve on the back of saving from the closed stores, margin negotiations with suppliers, and cost control. In addition, consumers stocking up on essential goods and the closure of wet markets amid renewed social distancing restrictions boosted traffic to modern grocery formats such as those of VCM, especially its Minimart for Mart Vmart Plus. Masan's H1 2021 results are broadly in line with our expectations, pending a fuller review as revenue, EBITDA including Techcombank's contribution, and net profit after tax (MI) completed 44%, 42%, and 31% of our respective full-year forecasts. We believe Masan's profits will increase in following quarter as MCH quarterly revenue typically ramps up in the second half. Additionally, we see scope for margin improvements in H2 compared to H1 2021 for VCM, Masan Midlife, and Masan High Tech Material. NHēt. Key takeaways from each business segment. NHēt. All category delivered growth in H1 2021. Notably, convenience food retained to growth in Q2 2021 with 12% year-on-year, backed by consumers stocking up and market share gains. Meanwhile, the entire beverage category advanced 17% year-on-year, including 18% year-on-year increase in energy drink. Masan expects this category to face stronger headwinds going into Q3 2021 due to stepped up social distancing restriction, but still targets growth for the remainder of 2021. Vincommerce EBITDA margin increased to 2.2% in Q2 2021 compared to 1.8% in Q1 2021 and 0.2% in Q4 2020. Vincommerce delivered positive EBIT in June 2021 and targets to achieve break-even EBIT in Q3 2021 thanks to improvements in total commercial margin (TCM) through negotiation with suppliers, cost optimizations. For example, store operations and logistics, and higher sales per store. Masan targets VCM as TCM will increase by total of 3 ppts in 2021. 2.4 ppts was already achieved in H1 2021. Masan Midlife (MML) profit ratcheted up thanks to one strong fit revenue growth that overcame spikes in raw material costs, corn and soybeans, led by pig feed sales that rebounded in conjunction with domestic pig farming activities. And the second, integrated meat revenue doubling year-on-year, backed by expanding distribution and the consolidation of 3F Masan Midlife Poultry subsidiary. Management expects MML margins to improve in H2 2021 given the recent correction in raw material prices and contribute ramp up in meat capacity utilization. NHēt revenue short on the HCS consolidation as well as increases in both tungsten volume and ASP. EBITDA margin improved in 22.8% in Q2 2021 compared to 16.1% in Q1 2021 and 11.5% in Q2 2020 as the increased tungsten price started to reflect more fully in NHēt's released selling prices. Okay. So we go to the more detail with VCSC comment. NHện revenue get the 10,275 million. Okay, billion. Okay. All category step up, including key categories such as seasonings, 5% convenience food, 3% and energy drinks, 18%. Emerging categories such as processed meat, 53%, and beer, 80%, post elevator growth. VCM, VinCommerce, revenue 15,813 billion Việt Nam đồng. Due to aggressive closures, underperforming stores in Q3 and Q4 2020, that said, growth returned in Q2 2021, plus 2% year-on-year. Store counts of Vinmart Supermarket and Vinmart Plus Minimart fell to 122 and 2,245 as of Q2 2021, compared to 130 and 2,786 store as Q2 2020, respectively, while showing insignificant changes compared to year-end 2020 respective level in 123 and 2,251. Like for like, revenue per square, Vinmart inched up 12% year-on-year, while that of Vinmart fell 11% year-on-year H1 2021 due to COVID-19 disruption to stores that are located in shopping mall. Meanwhile, demand from consumer stocking up boosted like-for-like revenue per square meter of Vinmart Plus up to 21% year-on-year. Meanwhile, Vinmart's decrease narrowed to minus 4% in Q2 2021. Next to Masan Midlife. Feed revenue jumped 33% year-on-year to 8.2 trillion Việt Nam đồng, as $355 million on the back of a 60% surge in pig feed volume as domestic farming activity recovered from the African swine fever ASF crisis. Per Masan, Vietnam's total pig herds reached 27.3 million in early 2021, up 20% compared to early 2020, with equivalent to 87% of pre-ASF levels. At the same time, chicken feed and aquafeed sales volume climbed 9% and 34% year-on-year in H1 2021 respectively. Revenue from integrated meat business amounted to 2.1 trillion Việt Nam đồng, as 90 million billion plus 96% year-on-year in H1 2021, thanks to Middle East widening distribution and the aforementioned consolidation of 3F Viet. The latter contributed 630 billion Vietnam dong as $27 million. Middle East and 3F Viet products are viable at 2,300 and 2,200 VCM stores as H1 2021, respectively. Mostly live Masan high-tech material have revenue 2,570 trillion Chilean Vietnam dong, mostly lifted by the consolidation of HCS and step up in both tungsten volume in ASP. NHēt Masan high-tech material did not record any copper sales in Q1 2021 as NHēt is working on finding sales channel for its copper stock given Vietnam restriction on copper exports and the country limited number of domestic copper smelters. And another about EBIT and part MI. VCM EBITDA margin movement as explained above. MML EBITDA margin contrasted as improvement in the pork value chain, which was partly aided by economies and scale and higher utilization of porker, partly offset escalating raw material prices that hurt feed margin and thin margin of 3F Viet that are owing to low poultry prices. NHēt Masan high-tech material EBIT margin movement as explained above. TCB's contribution. See our earnings flash on July 2020. All category of TOI short and net profit after tax ahead of estimated. For more detail, other overhead expense at holdco level and other terms. Okay, that's it. I think that I'm not good at English, but I try my best to give you the information and our view, Viet Capital Security view for Masan. And in my personal view, I think Masan is great company and it is growth company in the future. For each segment, they did really well, and in the future it will perform to the result business report. So I think if you care about Masan, you can wait for some pullback price in the market to buy it step by step. You can separate to 3 parts to launch in Masan. Each part has this distance, maybe 10%, minus 10%, minus 20%, minus 30% to get in all your capital to Marsan. Yeah, and for the portfolio, not much, not bigger than 30% for your total capital. Yeah, that's my plan. Okay, so thank you. If you want to invest in Vietnam stock market with the legal, yeah, please mail to me home.nguyen vcsc.com.vn or phone to 00849143265556. I am Areca Nguyen. Okay, thank you. And I use Telegram. Yeah, you can connect me to Telegram. Okay, thank you. So goodbye, good night. See you next video. In the next video.